Pullets Camp in Portland Bill. Strictly no caravans, and I'll show you why. But you can park all day for a £5. 9 till 5, that is. I think they go home at night time. I don't know. They're in a caravan up there. There are portaloos on site, and some IBC touts for waste for Elson. Yeah, I'm being plagued by this one bloody wasp. Yeah. Right. Yeah, there's portaloos just here. Well, unless you've been here, you wouldn't know what this looked like. This is one of the old quarries. I'm on Portland Bill, and it's right at the far end, lighthouse end, and I'm on that campsite where you can see the vans on top of the hill, but I'm behind that one there. I got further back because, boy, it was windy last night, and the van was a-rocking from the outside, not the inside, and so I thought I'd come for a little walk. I am getting more and more difficult to walk, so I'm limiting myself to where I can go and what I can do. And bloody picturesque. I like it. I don't want to get too close because I'll tend to fall over. And you can't hear any of this on the campsite. But the waves were big last night. I sat there on the edge of the top, on the top of the campsite there. Yeah, look at it, you can't even see. Well, you can, it's over there. Yeah. And, well, I'm going to sit and enjoy this for a bit. And it says do not climb. Oh yeah. But this is how they used to load the stone out of the little quarry onto boats. I'm surprised it's it's timber. I'm surprised it's lasted that long. Is giving it the waves are giving it the rocks a fair bashing. Alright, I'm gonna have to take my glasses off because they're reading glasses and I'm right on the edge. Well, it does look deep there. Yeah, so it looks like this would have lifted the rock up, wheeled it over the edge onto a boat. There you go. You just about see my van the other side of there now. Just about, where's my finger? Oh, just up there. I can see under the water there are massive rocks down there. You wouldn't want to get too close with a boat. I don't know whether you can see it. There's the little orange buoys. There's one there, the one there. And they're the guideline, because the boats come out of Weymouth, and that's the channel they got to keep to. No closer than the orange buoys. I can see the orange buoy. Oh, you can't on this camera. I can see the orange buoys all the way up there. Yeah. Looks like a few people have been down there because there's a nice worn track. I definitely not going down there. Oh, I've got to climb that hill now. It was alright coming down. There's the roof of my van up there. Yeah, obviously the quality of the stone wasn't as good in this area. That's why they went to the other side of the rock. Oh, struggle up the hill. Got my stick. People still throw rubbish down in there. Why? Oh, I've climbed the steepest bit. But my van's there. But I've got to go up the rest of this hill, down the main road, and then in the other entrance. But it is so peaceful, and the wind is quite cold, but it's warm. You know, I'm still in shirt sleeve. You know, I had to put me big boy trousers on today because my legs were cold again. But anyway, pigeon. There you go, Longston Open Quarry, and I've missed the N off the open, or is it an OPE quarry? I don't know, I would have said open quarry. They're all open, or yeah. I didn't make it down to the horses. There's my van. Lorry. I got to change my hands because I need me stick in the other hand. The cars fly along here. Here comes another one. Right, now I can cross. They fly along here. Well, look how straight it is. It's up and down, and I think that's why the racers at night time, you hear them going by. About a quarter of a mile that way, back towards Portland, there is a pub, and if you go down that way by the lighthouses, there's is it the Hive Cafe, Beach Cafe, and when I went there last year, there was quite a few. Me and Birdie went down there because me and Birdie had a lot of fun together. Saw a lot of places that I wouldn't normally see. So yeah, right. He needs to get a faster push bike though. Got me solar panels out. Not that I'm ever getting any today. But it's fetching in about 4 or 5 amps. Which will top it up. I've just realised I left the inverter on when I left. But it does top it up. I've got the panels on the roof, but they're flat, aren't they? Yeah, you do get that that road noise. But it's good enough for me for a couple of nights. Oh, and it's only 15 quid a night as well. Well, I say only, it's still, when there's nothing really around, 15 quid's a lot, but, yep. So, that's it. Cup of tea now. Oh, and the other thing I gotta do is, because I'm on a hill, I use this boy and I clip it onto the gutter there, and then it stops the door from closing. If I can get in now. Got the essentials anyway. Well, the scooter helps me come in. There.